Welcome to GitKraken Desktop. GitKraken Desktop is a visual Git client that helps you see all of your branches and all of your changes. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to open a repository, run an AI coding session, review what the agent is doing alongside your own work, and then how to ship that change. Let's get started. When you launch GitKraken Desktop for the first time, you'll land here and have the option to sign in with a Git provider, which we recommend for some really convenient features. I'm going to choose to click ahead and confirm my Git details so that I'm happy with the name and email address that I'll be using for my commits. We'll present you with the option to start a tutorial, but for this video example, we're going to choose the option to open a repository. I'm going to browse to a repo that's on my machine and open it inside of GitKraken Desktop. Now, if you've already launched GitKraken Desktop, you can instead navigate to this plus icon at the very top to access the new tab view and explore these three options. The option to open a repo already on your machine, clone one from a remote, or start a new one from scratch. For this video tutorial, let's open an existing repository. Browse to your repository and then click Open, and you're in. Before we run an agent, here's what you're looking at. The commit graph is the big view in the center of the screen. It shows every branch in your repo, every commit, and how they relate. The left panel is your navigation. Branches, work trees, pull requests, and agent sessions all live here. The commit panel sits on the right. When you click a commit or a set of changes, the files show up here so that you can review them. The toolbar at the top is where your common Git actions live: pull, push, branch. Now, let's put an agent to work. The agent session panel is where every agent you run shows up. Each active session is a card with its current status, the files it has changed, and any open or draft pull requests tied to it. Starting a session is as easy as one click. Before we do it, one term worth knowing: a worktree is an isolated copy of your repo. Normally, you'd create a worktree yourself by running git worktree add, checking out a branch, and running your setup scripts by hand. You can still do that, but GitKraken Desktop does all of that for you. Let's click New Agent Session, give the task a name, pick your agent, and click Start. GitKraken Desktop creates the worktree and runs your setup commands. That means installing dependencies, seeding databases, or whatever else your environment needs. Then it launches the agent in the terminal. If your setup needs custom CLI arguments, you can configure them under Preferences and then Agents. I'm going to skip ahead, and when the agent finishes and you're done with the session, one click in the worktrees list removes the worktree. Okay, so let's say that the agent has been working and it's now ready for your review. The commit graph shows you exactly what branch the agent used, what it committed, and where that branch sits against main. At the top of the commit graph, you'll see a node labeled WIP. WIP stands for Work in Progress. It's every file the agent has changed but has not yet committed. From the commit panel, click any file to open the diff. You can review each block of changes one at a time. Keep the changes you want, or make your own edits before anything gets committed. If the agent needs new instructions, the integrated terminal is right here. Each worktree has its own terminal, so when you switch sessions, the terminal switches with you. When the changes look right and you're ready to commit, try clicking this AI sparkle icon. GitKraken AI generates a commit message from what you staged. Take a look at its results, and if you're happy with it, click to commit. Now let's push this branch up to my remote because I want to start a pull request. To open a pull request, drag and drop your feature branch onto the target branch. GitKraken Desktop filters the available actions between these two branches in this context menu. And if you've already pushed the branch, you'll see an option to start a pull request. Now, if you're integrated with any of our remote hosting services, you get a PR creation form. The PR form pre-populates with your branch information. And there's another GitKraken AI button here to populate your title and description based on the changes on your incoming branch. There's still so much more GitKraken Desktop can do, so be sure to check out our Help Center at help.gitkraken.com to see the full feature set. All right, you're now ready to get started with GitKraken Desktop. If you are looking for more information about coding agents inside of GitKraken Desktop and staying organized as you use more and more sessions, check out our free course, Git Control for AI Coding Workflows. Link is in the description. For now, from all of us at GitKraken, stay legendary.